What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have no plans. There are no plans for today. What it is we're gonna film, I have no idea. This video was supposed to be a fall colors drive, but that drive got moved to next week, which was a bummer. So instead, some friends and I are gonna go out for a drive. So there is no plan. The plan is to have fun and enjoy the day without any expectations. It's been a while since I've given all of you an update, and I do have one, I swear. We are almost at 260 nice miles. That'll happen today. Car is carring. Today we're gonna stay right there in the middle. We'll stay there. We're not gonna take a trip to the red zone today. Not gonna be doing that. We'll stay right there in the middle. I don't know where the day is gonna take us. It could be literally anything. We're going to some of the nicest driving roads in Michigan. Hell, Michigan. We're going to hell, guys. We're going to hell. And yeah, it's just gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a good time. Some friends arrived in stages. Then we left.
I lost my soul. It's on the run. I need a spot. I need some fun.
Nice.
Like what's to come? It was a
We're donating to the cause, guys.
Yeah. Thank you.
This is Ben's new whip.
Yep.
Ben, how's it going?
Well, hasn't left me stranded yet.
We're out here in hell. We're waiting for our last friend to catch up. This is our squad for the day. We have the trifecta of modern BMW 3 Series models. So Ben just bought this white car. This is 2011 335.
That's correct.
Ben, walk us around this. Tell us why you bought this.
High mileage.
Yep.
230,000 miles. I bought it to daily and drive in the snow. X-Drive, automatic.
Yes.
The interior is really nice.
Yeah, honestly, E90s are kind of in right now.
No rips in any of the seats or anything.
Look at that.
But it is a true M Sport as well.
True M Sport.
Paid less than $5,000 for it.
That's a pretty good deal, I would say.
The electronic sensor is telling me it's low.
Okay. Let's see if we can get the free pour.
Stop.
Let's go. Money. I went to Enthusiast Auto Group over the summer, and they have two E90 loaner cars, and one is under 100,000 miles and one is way above 100, and they drive identical, which is pretty impressive. I don't know, these things they just kind of eat. I'm waiting for our friend Steven's E36, which is slowly becoming more and more of a nugget.
Catching strays out here, man. It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Bro, it's not that bad, guys. It's not that bad. Guys, I swear it's not that bad. Not that bad, guys. It's not that bad.
All right, let's see a cleaner E46 engine bay than this.
Actually, yeah, true. This is the one redeeming quality of this car.
Oh, that's actually really pretty.
You keep the engine bay nice, you keep the interior nice.
Yeah, the two most important things, obviously.
The most important things.
To show off.
To show off. Yeah, that's what the BMW owners really care about. We just want to see a clean interior because that's where you sit, and then the engine bay. The engine bay is the most important part. Look, there's like no oil anywhere. Even the power steering reservoir is clean.
For OEM.
Yeah, dude.
So you start actually getting on it, it'll start spewing power steering fluid, or ATF.
Yeah, well, you haven't done anything to the power steering in this car.
No.
Our friend's showing up. There's Connor.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We haven't touched Brady's car in a minute. We made one video with it and then it just like sat.
I've done stuff on my own.
Yeah. There will be an update on that car eventually.
Never.
Who knows when. Yeah, the transmission, it's a whole story. We're out here. We're ready to do do some driving. I'm gonna set up an engine bay mic at some point today because I want to mess around with that again. But yeah, we're just gonna hop on the road. I'm about to show you something that they won't tell you in school. And that is a practical life skill that you can take home with you.
Or just
It's not registered.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, today we were supposed to be going to a fall colors drive, and it got canceled because of potential rain. So instead we're doing this. We're having our own fall colors drive. Oh, oh. I don't know if video's gonna pick that up. It probably will, but that's a horrible noise.
Yeah, the skid in the back.
Yeah, that's the rear tires rubbing just a little bit.
Oh yeah, dude.
Hi there in the bike. I do not want to run you off the road. Okay.
Next left.
Okay. I was trying to leave him ample room.
I told you he was gonna snipe you out. Just knocked into the center. Now he's leading. He wants you to go by.
Okay. Holy smokes. Okay. I think I just pinged the limiter there.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Oh, dude.
Let's not brick our gearbox today.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not. No, we don't want to do that.
No.
How you doing there, buddy?
Hopefully it's good.
Conk.
Start fucking slamming it around for you.
Alright, in today's class, we were going to showcase clutchless shifting.
Right until you find it, brother.
Right until you find it, brother.
Oh, he's
he's
sticking
tails.
with us.
He's
Yeah, he's coming with us. He likes your driving, Sonny.
Can you put those in the door?
Yes.
Thank you.
Now.
After all our fun driving, we headed to grab some food at the best place on this route. If you ever go to Hell, Michigan, this is the place to grab food. Afterwards, I let my friend Connor drive for a while, then we started to head home.
Time to go.
It's now a few days later. We had a ton of fun that day. The engine bay mic actually turned out pretty well. So if you guys want to see more of that, comment down below. We've kind of messed around with it from time to time. It's not perfect, but it's the 90%. I feel good about it. I promised you guys an update with this car. We are going on another fall colors drive. It might be the next video you see, I'm not sure. We'll see about that. Then we're gonna give you an update with this car, 270,000 mile update. We're not quite there yet, but we're, I don't know, less than 1,000 miles off. So we're getting pretty close to the 270,000 mile mark, which is crazy to me. This car is like 30,000 miles away from 300,000 miles. Absolutely wild. I haven't really driven this car a spirited way a lot of this summer. It was just, after the track tire blowout thing, I just kind of, I'm not gonna say lost interest, but lost motivation, and I had so much else going on in my life at the moment. So we're gonna utilize these last few weeks of nicer driving weather. I say that as it's, you know, cold and rainy outside. But yeah, like the video if you want to see more Sparky content as usual. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Comment down below anything you want. Comment literally anything. I love reading and replying to other guys' comments. Take care, and we will see you in the next video.
Feels like I've been